green.
That would be a big problem if it was turning green.
Oh yeah. Now what? Time for cheesecake.
Trivia! Where did ancient cheesecake originate?
What is the weight of the world record largest cheesecake?
No common sense can be used.
Yes, there can.
Let's say...
Turned out delicious, or looked delicious.
We don't know
We'll
yet.
find out in a second.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Hi friends, welcome to the Shar and Joe Show. I'm Sharlene.
I'm Joe.
And today we are making cheesecake cups.
Yay!
This is part of our date night series and it's another simple recipe. It does not require an oven and we'll be able to whip it up in no time. Joe, tell us all the things that we'll be needing.
All right, so need a hand mixer, melted butter, blackberries, Greek yogurt, whipped topping, wine glasses for the amount of people that there's gonna be here.
It makes 4 servings, so you can
2 servings per person.
so you can split the recipe in half if you want, but otherwise it's going to make 4.
All right, wine glasses, a big bowl, big mixing bowl, smaller one, spoon, regular spoons, scissors, cream cheese, more blackberries, some slices of lemon, granulated graham crackers, crushed graham crackers,
Graham cracker crumbles.
crumbles, powdered sugar, lemon juice, and zest, and a freezer bag.
Ziploc baggie. First step is we are going to put our graham cracker crumbles in this smaller bowl.
Melted butter coming in hot.
Yep. So we're gonna add that in here and just stir it all together. Now you are going to add those graham cracker crumbles to the bottom of those glasses. Now it's time to make our filling. It starts with some cream cheese. So whip up the cream cheese until it's fluffy.
Whip it real good.
Now I'm gonna add in some Greek yogurt. So this is just one of the small containers. And I will add in my lemon and lemon zest and our powdered sugar. And you can cream that all together. Now we're gonna add these in and you're gonna use that.
Blending those up.
Yeah, not too much. Just to get the juices kind of in there and a little bit crushed in color.
You want it colorful?
Yes.
It's turning green.
That would be a big problem if it was turning green. Now we're gonna fold in our whipped topping. And the reason we folded it in so that it stays fluffy.
Tuck the corners in. Folding a sheet is not easy. A fitted sheet.
Right. We are going to put it in here and we'll be piping it into those cups. I don't know if this is big enough, we'll see.
So we got rid of the freezer bag because those are expensive-ish. And we got this large 1 gallon slide top bag.
All right, I will hold it open and you will spoon in the whipped topping.
Maybe fold down the sides. My sister's decorated cakes, so I know a couple tricks.
Right.
And my mom.
Seal it up and then we are going to cut the tip.
So on this bag, the corners are kind of pleated. So we'll see how this works.
Yeah, there's 2 holes.
It doesn't look. So what am I doing?
You're piping it all in.
All of it?
Yeah.
Guys, it doesn't look the greatest going in there, but One of the holes is clogged up by a blackberry, so it's a good thing we had 2 holes. There we go. This is not for the faint of heart, this recipe.
Now we're gonna add a dollop of whipped topping on each one.
Dollop.
Now we are going to add our garnish to make it look pretty.
All right, bon appetit.
No, not bon appetit. We're gonna put these in the fridge for a few minutes to chill and set. And in the meantime, we'll play our game and do our trivia.
Fine.
Yeah, I know you want to eat them and they look really good. And they probably could be eaten right now, but we're gonna wait.
It's game time. Who's ready?
I'm ready.
So for this game, it's called Dicey Duo. Both get 2 dice. 2 for you, 2 for me. Stack both dice on your partner's forehead, 1 by 1. If the dice fall before all 4 are stacked, then you both lose. You have 1 attempt.
It says 1 by 1, it doesn't say same time.
Yeah, they all have to be on. Ta-da! Now what?
No, it's easy. Can you catch it? Both of ours.
All of them?
Ready?
Let's put them the wrong way.
It fell down.
Come on. That was a letdown.
I know, that was
So-
too easy in my opinion. Time for cheesecake trivia.
Woo!
I like your high-pitched voice.
Woo!
A little higher. The key's up here. Okay, a little better. A little better. Where did ancient cheesecake originate? A, Rome. B, Greece. C, Egypt.
Wow. Ancient cheesecake?
Right.
What, is that different than modern cheesecake? What were they?
Rome, Greece, or Egypt?
Wow. I'm gonna go with Egypt. I don't know why.
And you are...
Just wait. I changed my mind.
Can't change your mind. Incorrect.
Yes, I can change my mind.
Incorrect.
I didn't say final answer.
Incorrect.
It's Greece.
I'm gonna write it in big letters right here.
It's Greece.
Joe is wrong, and I'm gonna put an arrow.
What is it?
I'm gonna put incorrect, and a big L, and an arrow. Incorrect. The answer is Greece.
See, I was right. In Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, they say, is that your final answer? And you have an opportunity to change your mind.
And that's because you have more at stake. We, on the other hand, have nothing at stake.
Well, here's a nice, easy question for you. What is the weight of the world record largest cheesecake? Option A, 9,347.6 pounds. Option B, 1,967.3 pounds. Option C, 3,532.7 pounds.
You see the kind of questions he gives me? Like, no,
There's a big range between the answers.
no common sense can be used.
Yes, there can.
I'm gonna say the first two were like around 1,000, right?
First one was 9,000 something, second one was 1,000 something, third was 3,000 something.
Okay. 3,000 something.
Wrong!
What?
The biggest cheesecake was 9,347.6 pounds.
Whoa.
It was in Russia, and it was 9 feet 2 inches in diameter. and 0.85 meters tall, or 2'9". So, can you imagine?
It's a lot of cheesecake to feed a lot of people.
Yeah, I'm hoping they ate it. I don't know if that's a requirement. I would think so.
Speaking of eating cheesecakes, I think our cheesecakes are ready.
Let's do it. So these turned out delicious, or look delicious.
We don't know
We'll
yet.
find out in a second. But I think they'll be pretty much what they look like.
Yeah, I mean, you can't really go wrong. I think all the flavors should be there. Let's dig in. All the way from the bottom so you can get some of that
Oh boy.
crusts. Nice.
I don't know if that was the best recommendation.
Cheers!
Cheers. You didn't look at me.
Cheers!
Cheers. Good. Very good. I think the flavors are all there. It's got the sweetness, a little bit of tart, makes your mouth water for sure. I can't get my mouth to stop watering.
I know, I'm ready to have another taste of these. Let's.
So, easy, tasty, try it out. Recipes down below. Shirts, links are all down there as well. We'll see you guys next time.
You want to do another cheers since we have these glasses? Cheers!
Cheers! You looked at the glass.
Cheers!
Cheers! All right.